How do you remove and replace the agitator in the Simpson Eziset 950 washing machine?
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXXX I look forward to helping you. Remove parts 1, 2 and 3 to get to the number 4 bolt. Remove that bolt and the agitator will pull out.
Thanks you Kelly for your answer. How do you get bolt 4 out? I have no tools, sockets or extensions that will get close to it.
It will require a long extension, that will be the only way.
Thanks Kelly. Does bolt 4 hold the agitator onto the drive unit to help provide the drive?
Yes, it is bolted directly into the drive shaft of the transmission. The agitator has splines that mesh with the drive shaft, too.
Okay, maybe that is the problem. I was able to pull the agitator straight up off the drive shaft. The bolt, number 4, is still in the drive unit. When the agitator agitates the closed during the wash cycle, spline drive on the drive shaft is just turn inside the agitator. While it was washing, empty, I grabbed the agitator and it just lifted straight off. If the bolt holds the agitator to the drive shaft, then this should not have occurred.
Correct, the agitator is broken and will need to be replaced.
Not sure this would work, but being the weekend I am not going to be able to get a new agitator, and also living in the Pilbara and not even sure where I can get one from. If I put a washer under bolt 4 inside the agitator, do you think that would work as an interim solution?
Sure, anything to hold the agitator in. If you have a stainless steel one, it will not rust.
Thanks Kelly, really appreciate your help. Once the shop's open, I will go and get a stainless washer, a couple of long extensions, and see how it goes. I will let you know if it is a success.
Sounds good, thank you. Please let me know if you have additional questions or need clarification. There is no additional charge for any follow-up help. If you have any other questions, please let me know. You may continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
Hi Kelly, just a quick update. The splined insert that fits into the agitator turns in the agitator. I tried to araldite it back in and then use a washer to hopefully create more drive once the agitator was placed back on the drive shaft. Unfortunately, it did not work. So a new agitator is required. Just have to find one online. Really appreciate your help.
I understand, thank you for the update. Please let me know if you have additional questions or need clarification. There is no additional charge for any follow-up help. If you have any other questions, please let me know. You may continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.